I'm Melissa. I'm a stylist at Hair Queen LA. This is my beautiful client Brittany. Today we're going to be doing Microlink install with curly hairs to match her curl pattern. Today we're going to be doing an install that's more versatile for her to wear half up, half down. So I'm going to be sectioning it off where she's not going to be able to see any of the tracks when she wants to wear it in a cute style. So I always make sure that the installs are really clean, and I use a sectioning comb. And then I always use hairspray. It doesn't matter what kind, as long as there's a good grip. Today I'm going to be using the Canva, and I just spray a little bit so her hair doesn't get too tacky, but just so there's no crosshairs. Crosshairs will give hair to be pulled, and that's what causes hair loss and things like that, or like tension sores. So to try to get rid of all of those crosshairs will be a perfect install. So here's the first row with a seamless blend, and then on top of it will go another row, and then we'll start angling her hair. So the first row is going to be pretty straight just because it lays flat, but when she puts her hair in a ponytail you won't be able to see anything. So here's the second row, here's the first row for the front, and then this is when she can split it and it'll be perfect seamless blend. And when it's down, it's still nice, curly and thick. I'm going to add one more here and then two more here, and this is all the way around. Hey guys, so now I'm going to be on my third sectioning. The second row for the front, third for the back. This is my sectioning, really clean. It's going to be angled like a teardrop, so like this on the head. It's going to split right here, like I've been saying, so then she has that seamless blend. So when she puts it up, you can see no tracks. And then here I'm still going to stack my bundles so it has more fullness. And here's it all the way around. So now we're in the last row. Then I'm just gonna add one more here, but you turn your head like this. This is gonna be her mini row. So when she puts her hair up in a half up, it covers, and then this is the last track going here, full and curly. my last row, I'm just gonna do a baby one here. How this is gonna go is one's gonna lay here and then the other's gonna lay here, and they're gonna crisscross kind of like that. So I'll show you in just a second, but this is how this one's placed here, and then this one's gonna lay right there. 3 bundles, curly Indian, 26 inches. Look of the install, but we're not done yet. I'm still gonna style and cut. All of her tracks are in, so I decided to switch it up a little bit, and in the back here, because she had a little bit of leave out left, I decided to make them crisscross. And here, would you head back a little? Here is one, so it's like a baby, and then here's the other one that kind of lays under it. Going like this, and then it lays over, so then she has more hair in and still feeling comfortable. Also, she can throw it up in a pony. Sorry if that hurts.
Hurts. Sorry. Let's do it again, do it again.
Now I'm wetting her hair down, gonna finish styling it while Julie does her makeup.
Yeah, so I'm already starting with her eyebrows. We're gonna go in for a pretty much clean, natural glam. So stay tuned to see the finished product.
Microlink 26 inches raw Indian hair, curly, on our beautiful client Brittany. How do you feel?
I love it. I'm so happy. Ready for summer.
Yes, and we finished off her look with a little bit of a natural glam here as well, so she's looking summer ready.
Perfect.
Yes.
I love it. I'm so happy. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Follow us on Hair Queen TV.